today. Let's all together watch it. Yes, here is the speaker and the ruling party and the opposition party. Let's all together watch a mock parliament. Okay, let's start.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Member, now Speaker Madam entering into the Parliament, I request all the Parliament members to be stand in their respective places.
The House is now in session. Please take your seats. Before we begin today's proceeding, let us all read the preamble to the Constitution of India.
Monsoon session of mock Parliament to beginning today with three bills. First bill, Digital Right versus Discipline. Now it is today. Digital Right Bill.
Stand in your places. Our aim today is not to defeat one another, but to uphold the constitutional values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Let us begin. Please take your respective seats. Now I invite the Honorable Minister of Education to introduce the students' digital right bills.
Honorable Speaker and the members of the Parliament, technology has become an essential part of education. Students today need access to education like coding, virtual laboratories and communication. Article 19 shows us the freedom of expression and Article 21 protects our right to live with dignity. So, therefore, this bill proposes that students be allowed to use digital devices for educational purpose with proper monitoring.
I now call upon the Honorable Leader of Opposition.
Honorable Speaker, while we support the technology, unlimited access to gadgets can create serious problems. Students may get addicted to social media and games. Cyberbullying and online distractions reduce concentration. Excessive screen time also affects physical and mental health. Freedom must come with responsibility. Therefore, this bill requires stronger and safeguards.
Speaker man, the future belongs to artificial intelligence, robotics, and digital innovation. If the schools deny access to technology, the students they will not be preferred for their higher education to future. Instead of banning technology, we should teach responsible digital citizenship to the students.
Honorable Speaker, not every student can oppose expensive tablets or laptops. If digital learning becomes compulsory without equal facilities, it will increase inequality. Education must remain inclusive.
Honorable, Honorable Speaker, the government accepts the values suggestion to the opposition. We propose the following amendments. Digital device shall be used only academic years. Internet access will be monitored by teachers. Social media and gaming website will be blocked. Schools will provide common devices for students who can't afford them. Digital safety
digital safety, education will compass.
Honorable Speaker, with this amendment, the opposition supports the bill.
The motion is put before the House. Those in favor say aye. The ayes have it. The bill is passed.
Another bill. Topic is right to equality versus special opportunities. Equal opportunities scholarship bill.
I invite the Honorable Minister of Social Justice to introduce the bills.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, Article 40 guarantees before law. Article 50 allows special provision for disadvantages of groups. Some equality does not mean treating to everyone identically. Some students face financial hardships, lack of resources, or social disadvantages. Special scholarship and academic support will help them complete fairly. This is not favoritism, it is justice.
Today, we are speaking about scholarship. Honorable Speaker, ma'am, every student work hard. Scholarship should be awarded only on merit. Giving preference should be to certain groups and cer- Honorable Speaker, ma'am, every student work hard. Every student work hard. Scholarship should be awarded only on merit. Scholarship should be only awarded. Honorable Speaker, ma'am, every student work hard. Scholarship should be awarded only on merit. Giving preference to certain groups may discourage deserving students who have also worked sincerely. Equal rules for everyone. Do fairness. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, if a student from a poor family may not have books, coaching, internet, another student have every resource, can you both truly compete equal? Providing additional support creates equal opportunities, not unequal treatment. Thank you.
Honorable Speaker, support should be based on financial need and genuine hardship. However, merit must be never ignored. We must encourage excellence while helping those in need.
Honorable Speaker, the government proposed amendments. Scholarship will be considered